Hey y'all, it's Curtis. I just want to say what's going on. I'm back to editing the videos for my mom. We're having to do this a little bit differently. I'm not at the house anymore where I can just edit for her in person and be in the videos with y'all. But I am still going to be editing the videos. But I am officially back, and I did just want to give a big, quick thank you to Debbie for sending me some letters while I was away in boot camp. It really did help me. Um, but yeah, I'm back in the videos, guys. Make sure you guys stay blessed, stay safe, and make sure you stay tuned and subscribe for future videos. Hope to see you on the future.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Cooking with Donna. If you're new to the channel, welcome. If you've watched some videos, you like the channel, hit that subscribe button and share. It's truly appreciated. Today we are making up some little cranberry orange snowball cookies. They're great for the holidays. They're great for your dessert table for Thanksgiving. I was going to say Thanksgiving, but I got my grandbaby here, my granddaughter. She's going to help with the video today. And these are some delicious cookies, and I hope you guys put these on your dessert table. They're not going to last. They are delicious, little delicate snowball cranberry orange cookies. So let's get started. Okay, Layla, what are you going to do?
Put in our sugar first.
Put your sugar. She's going to put her sugar, room temperature butter, and she's going to cream this with the mixer here for a couple of minutes, just until it's nice and fluffy. All right. Okay, she's got that all creamed up. She did that a couple of minutes. Now she's going to be adding her orange zest. She'll need maybe 2 medium oranges or a great big large orange. You want a good sized tablespoon, kind of packed. Go ahead and beat that up. We're going to beat that up maybe 20-30 seconds just to release some of the zest from that, the peel. Now what you want to make sure for you unexperienced bakers, if you're going to make this, be sure not to get that white pit stuff in there. You just want that zest, just the zest, because if you get this white part in there, it's going to be bitter. You don't want that, okay? You getting that all creamed up there, Layla?
Yep.
All right, leave it in the picture, hon, so they can see you. All right, let's get our other stuff ready. Okay, she's going to get her vanilla in there. That should have went in with the orange zest, but out of sight, out of mind. Get that mixed up. Okay, Miss Layla, go ahead and add your flour in. Just going to add half in at a time. And just helps you mix it. But you don't want to over mix your dough. Go ahead and stir that in. And we're going to add the rest in and get this mixed up. Now, anybody that has problems with your hands, arthritis, anything like that, we all do it. Clean hands, get in there with your hands and mix that up. It's a lot easier for a lot of us to do it that way. And now go ahead and get your cranberries. She's got it mostly mixed in. Everything you need for these cookies, I don't know if I mentioned it in the description, is everything's in the description. Now she's going in with some chopped walnuts. You can definitely toast them, then chop them. Now just when you think you got those cranberries chopped, chop them some more. Same with the walnuts. You can see how fine those are chopped. And that's what you want, so that cookie holds together instead of splitting on you, because there's big chunks there. So she's just going to get that mixed up. We're going to get this chilled in the fridge, and probably for about an hour. We want the dough nice and chilled. And we'll get some cookies in the oven. Okay, we got our dough chilled. We rolled them into like teaspoon size, little, because you don't want them real big, because then you'll have to bite them. They're better just that way you pop it in your mouth, because they're going to have powdered sugar all over them. So you can do them as big as you want, but you'd have to adjust your baking time. But my oven is preheated. When 10 minutes prior to the dough coming out of the refrigerator, I got my oven preheated. So get your oven. It's important that your oven is preheated, and don't skip the step with chilling the dough, because you want that butter to tighten back up so your cookies don't spread. You can put them close together like this, because these cookies don't even really spread, as long as your dough is nice and chilled. How many did you count you got?
44.
44. So it just depends on what size you're going to roll them. So the oven's preheated. In the oven they go. Okay, my friends, cookies are out of the oven. Mine baked for 22 minutes. You can see here at the bottom of them get golden brown and just lightly browned on top. They won't brown a whole lot. They're going to feel somewhat soft, but they're going to firm up as they set and become more of that light, tender, crispy texture. We are going to let these cool. You want them barely warm before we roll these in powdered sugar. You don't want your cookies hot. So we're going to let these cool till they're barely warm. Okay? Okay. Well, the cookies, I did remove them from the baking sheet so they can cool. I had them on my cooling rack, but I just tossed them here on my, because you want them laying flat. Even when you coat them in the powdered sugar, don't stack them. And just, I sifted. You want sifted powdered sugar. That way you don't get no clumps on it. You want that powdered sugar nice and fine. And just throw you these cookies are barely warm. Like I said, don't throw them in there hot. They've probably been cooling here maybe 10 minutes. And just toss them in that powdered sugar. And then just shake them. Shake them off. Let that powdered sugar fall between your fingers. And then you'll just lay them out. Let them set for probably maybe 5 to 10 minutes. And we'll do a second coat on these. Because the first coat, they'll become a little sticky. That second coat gets them nice and white and nice and powdery with that sugar. So I'm going to continue doing this. Let them set maybe 5 to 10 minutes and we'll put that second coat on those, okay? Alrighty, I gave the little snowballs their second little dredge there in some powdered sugar. I want to get a little knife up here. Now these little disposable little aluminum pans, the Christmas ones, they're so great to give these out as little gifts, and they come with the little lids where you could put the lids on them. But I want to cut one of these and let y'all see what they look like inside. See there? Can y'all see that? Or is it blurry? But there's the cookies, and they are delicious. When you make them small like this, you can pop them right in your mouth. But they are delicious. I hope you guys enjoy them. Just bake them until they're lightly golden. You want them to crisp up, and they will continue to crisp up as they set. But they're a tender, delicious Christmas, Thanksgiving treat for y'all. And I hope you enjoy them. Anything I may miss, I will put in the description. And everything, as I said, you need for these cookies will be in the description. But I wanted to bring something up to y'all. I don't remember what it was. But there's the delicious cookies. I hope you guys enjoy them. And we will see you guys next week. And if you're new, please like and subscribe. You can go check out my merchandise. The store tab is below. But until next week, I love y'all. Love one another. Eat well. And we will see you guys next week. Bye-bye.